As a professional electrical conduit manufacturer, Ctube provides diverse solutions for electrical installation. In the low-small hydrogen-free series, besides rigid conduit, we also provide flexible conduit, PVC corrugated conduit, also called PVC flexible conduit, electrical non-metallic tubing. From the name, we can learn the key features of this conduit, having ridges and grooves that make it flexible and easy to bend. Compared to ordinary PVC corrugated conduit, low-small hydrogen-free corrugated conduit offers the same flexibility and at the same time providing low smoke and halogen-free features. It enhances visibility during a fire, reduces the risk of harmful gas inhalation, and helps protect the public as much as possible. Ctube offers heavy-duty, compression-resistant 1,250 N per 5 cm and medium-duty 750 N per 5 cm, sizes ranging from 20 to 63 mm. Available in white, black, and gray. We accept thickness and color customization. Temperature resistant from -45 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, have a V0 fire rating, UV resistant, waterproof, and corrosion resistant. The insulation resistance exceeds 1000 mOhm and it can withstand 2000 voltage without breaking down. Corrugated conduits are common choices when making indoor and outdoor electrical installation. For example, installed in a wall on the floor because of its flexibility for easy wire turnings. If using rigid conduits, some turning tools will be needed. Low-smoke halogen-free corrugated conduits enhance safer cable routine in personnel-intense places such as hospitals, airports, and shopping centers. That's all we shared today. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this special conduit series, please contact us.